Oh my god, look how big. I know you all probably don't realize how big this is because it's on camera. This thing is huge. It's like probably half my body size. And I'm like 6'1". Actually, I'm just 6 feet tall. But this thing is huge, you guys. Another termite nest. Here's another one. I have a little bench on this one. Just sit down. I think I'm gonna rest. It may not look like it, but it's a lot of walking and it's very, very hot here. It is, I believe this is it. There's no sign. Oh yeah, here's a sign right here. I passed it. Sorry. Here's a sign. And here it is. And this one doesn't have that reddish tint. It has more of a bluish, greenish tint to it. Alright guys, this is the next one we're going to go to. Let's go. Oh look at that humongous lizard. Can you all see that? Oh, he's gone. He was right there, but he's gone now. Alright guys. So we are at the next one. Now this isn't a pool. The other ones are like really open. This one isn't really open. It's just trees and stuff. The trees have definitely taken over this. All right, here we are at another one. Let's see what color this is. This is red as well. The same color as the last one. All very, very pretty. The water is not super cold, but it's definitely not warm. All right, let's go to the other ones.